Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a few of you have asked for a hair care routine video, so that's what I thought I would show you today. So first up I use this Rosemary Shampoo, and then next up I use this Wild PPC Volumiser conditioner, which has been great. Once that's done, I just towel dry my hair. Next up I use this Innisfree hair serum, and what I do is throw a few pumps of this into my hand and then make sure I coat all my hair with a layer of the serum. And guys, apologies in advance for the lighting. I know it keeps changing. I had this ring light on and it's just been really interesting playing around with the settings, so my apologies in advance. So back to the tutorial. So grab any hairdryer of your choice. I've just got here a Dyson hairdryer, and I find that this is one of the best hairdryers to be able to quickly and efficiently blow dry my hair. So if you guys have access to one, I highly recommend it. And this one's got this little nozzle that is detachable and it's really great. You can choose your setting. Best of all, your hair does not get caught in the hairdryer. So next up, what I do is just make sure I really get into the layers of my hair to make sure that the insides are fully dry. Alright, so all done. All I literally used was this Innisfree Moisturizing Oil Serum for dry hair. Whoops. This non-sticky refreshing oil serum with the moisture and lustrous recipe delivers hydration and nutrition to dry hair for a softer feel. So the directions here say that you can use it on towel dried hair after shampooing. You pump two to three times and apply on hair, especially on the ends, which is exactly what I did, but you can also use this on dry hair if you'd like. Sorry, because it's run out, that feels like 4 pumps, but it's actually like the equivalent to 1 pump. Then again, you don't want it too oily. And mind you, the Dyson was really quick. Like usually what would take me half an hour, 15 minutes, half an hour, this took me less than 5 minutes. So I think when I just timed it then, it was 4 minutes. If I was going straight to sleep, then I'd probably blow dry it some more. But because right now I know that I'm still going to hang around, watch a little bit of TV, and also I'll be watching MasterChef soon. And what else? I'll be editing some videos, so I know that this will then kind of air dry. So yeah, that's literally all I do for hair care. I actually am in desperate need of a haircut, so this is definitely way longer than I'd like. I usually have it around like here, I would say. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed my hair care routine. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!